morning, everyone! Welcome to Giltusan Family via Binoy Lakas Radio Streaming. Look what we got today. This morning, we're babysitting Bagyo's little puppy named Bella. I don't know, only Doc probably can really play with this puppy. She's so hyper. Scares me when she opened her mouth. I just washed that blanket now. She smells like puppy now. Good morning, OG. Wala kang pasok? Hindi halos makita si Bella kasi ang liit tapos itim pa kulay niya. She's matching the thing, eh. Say good morning to OG, ni.
Hey, OG. Morning. That's a good girl. Get to bed.
Go to bed na.
Good girl. Go get to bed. Come on. Go get to bed.
Put her in front of you.
Let's go get to bed. Come on. Go here.
Oh, may spring break pala kayo.
Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Oh.
Nauntog na siya.
Settle down. Settle down. Yeah, settle down. Settle down.
Good morning or good evening, Miss Blessy. Kamusta na po kayo dyan? Hindi pa kayo natutulog? Biruin mo ba naman lahat ng mga nagamit sa floor? Kailangan ilagay na namin itaas kasi kinakagat niya lahat. Baka lunukin niya, baka kainin niya, baka mapunta pa kami sa emergency. Let me see, real quick. Ito yan, dito maliwanag. Ayoko, hindi ko kaya yung gawa ni Doc. Hindi ko kayang laruin niyang tuta na ganyan. Takot ako yung, she's opening her mouth and Doc doesn't, Doc is not scared. How old are you when you have your first puppy, Doc?
7.
Oh, so you have your dog already at 7, so you're used to play with the puppy then, huh?
Yeah.
Is it puppy or big dog?
No, it was a puppy. Poodle puppy.
Mm.
He was smaller than she is, though.
She's a big
puppy.
She's a big puppy. She's gonna be real big.
You're gonna be a big doggy, huh?
Oh my God, that's hyper. Her daddy is going to school today. Bagyo is in school at Norco University. Kaya babysit muna ako sa kanya ngayon. Ganyan pala yan maglaro. Walang kapagudan.
Shall we pee on the floor?
Not yet. No, that's water. She spilled her water. Hala, saan ka pupunta? No, not me. Hindi ako marunong sa'yo maglaro. Say bye now. Bye now. Come on, say bye. Okay, guys. I love you all. Hello. Good morning, Pressy. Wala ka atang pasok, ha? Okay. Ano yan? Papi ni Bagyo yan. Say bye-bye na. Come on. Bye na. Okay. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Bella and Doc. Have a blessed day, everyone.